It's Monday morning in 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗀𝗃.
Yeah!
And that means it's the start of a new school week. 𝗏𝗏 isn't really a morning truck, so he gets a little help from Ollie.
Monday!
Monday is Bolt's favorite day of the week because on Mondays, the young trucks practice jumping.
Woohoo!
Yes!
Yippee! Yeah!
Oops.
Tuesday!
The young monster trucks like to drive fast every day. But on Tuesday, they also practice stopping quickly.
Woohoo!
Uh-oh!
𝗏𝗏 has his own special way of coming to a stop.
Oh.
Wednesday!
Wednesday is the third day of the school week, and Wednesday is for drifting.
Woohoo! Uh-oh. Oops.
Thursday!
Dragon looks forward to Thursdays all week long
Yeah.
because Thursdays are for crushing.
Yes.
Friday!
Ladybug's favorite day is Friday
Yippee!
because on Friday, the trucks learn to spell.
Woo! Woo! Yay! Yes! Huh? Ta-da!
Yeah.
Saturday!
Saturday is the first day of the weekend.
Yippee!
So Saturday is for doing whatever the trucks want, like driving sharp turns or climbing hills
Yahoo!
or crashing,
Oof.
playing in a half pipe
Yeah! Yippee!
or looping the loop
Woo, woo, woo!
Yay!
or just bouncing the day away.
Yahoo! Sunday!
Sunday is the perfect day for napping. An activity even 𝗏𝗏 can't mess up. Perhaps I spoke too soon.
Oops. Oh.
The young monster trucks will get a chance to do it all again next week, though. On Monday, they will jump. On Tuesday, they will stop. On Wednesday, they will drift. On Thursday, they will crush. On Friday, they will spell. On Saturday, they will play. And on Sunday, they will rest. At least as long as 𝗏𝗏 will let them. When you're a monster truck, every day of the week is awesome.
Uh-oh. Eek! Oh!
In the wonderful land of 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃, our 7 friends are rushing to school.
Woo! Woo! Yeah!
The trucks are very excited today because they're learning all about the months of the year. The first month is January. We begin this month by celebrating the new year.
Yay!
Oops.
The second month of the year is February, when we celebrate our loved ones on Valentine's Day. The third month is March, when we celebrate St. Patrick's Day. If you follow a rainbow all the way to the end, you might find a leprechaun spot of gold. That one is just a picture, Boom Boom.
Oh.
The fourth month is April. April brings in spring.
Yes!
April is often very rainy. But as the old saying goes, April showers bring May flowers. Because May, the fifth month, is usually sunny and warm.
Uh-oh.
The sixth month of the year is June. June is often the start of summer vacation
Yeah! Woohoo!
and fun-filled days on the beach. Well, June days are fun as long as you're not being chased by bees. The seventh month is July, when many people celebrate Independence Day. We celebrate with flags and barbecues and
Uh-oh. Oops.
the eighth month is August, the hottest month of the year. In August, young monster trucks run the risk of overheating, unless they have plenty of fans.
Whoa.
September is the ninth month of the year. In September, monster trucks get to go back to school and learn so many wonderful things.
Yahoo! Yeah!
The 10th month of the year is October. October is the spookiest month because it brings us all the scares of Halloween. But it also brings lots of candy.
Yahoo!
November is the 11th month. It brings us the Thanksgiving feast of yams and cranberry sauce and turkey.
Yeah.
That's not a turkey, Boom Boom.
Huh?
It's a chicken. And it is definitely not cooked. The 12th and final month of the year is December. December brings snow and winter games and lots of holidays.
Ta-da! Whoa. Uh-oh.
And then the months start all over again. Try to say them with me this time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Every month of the year is so exciting. Almost as exciting as learning.
Yeah!
Come back next time, won't you? You know the months of the year now, but you never know what we'll learn next.
Today in 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗲 school, the young monster trucks learned all about opposites. When two ideas are as different can be, we call those opposites.
Yeah!
Opposites are easy to learn once you get the hang of it.
Yahoo!
Oh.
It looks like Boom Boom may have taken hang of it a little too far.
Oops.
Whoa! I'll help you.
Thanks, Ollie. I should learn to be careful like you.
On their way home, the trucks were excited to show off all the opposites they had learned at school. Now, it's time for some monster truck fun!
Yeah!
As Bolt speeds higher and higher on a construction beam, he practices going up,
Wahoo!
while Boom Boom demonstrates going down.
Oof.
Oh, Boom Boom, how did you get down there?
Ugh, don't ask.
Down is the opposite of up. Down is the opposite of up.
Yes!
Careful Ollie drives slowly through the streets of Truckopolis.
I like to go slow. Whee!
Meanwhile, Ladybug and Buzz prefer to drive fast.
Faster! Whoa!
Fast is the opposite of slow. Fast is the opposite of slow. Ladybug moves ahead of Buzz. Now she is in front and Buzz is behind.
I'm right behind you.
Front is the opposite of behind. Front is the opposite of behind. Now they are racing in the same direction, but Ladybug turns left while Buzz turns right. Left is the opposite of right. Left is the opposite of right.
That was fun!
In order to help Boom Boom, Star must go past the hole and then stop. Go is the opposite of stop. Go is the opposite of stop.
Yes!
Instead of going forward, Star backs up to the opening. Back is the opposite of forward.
Back! Back! Back!
Is the opposite of forward.
I'll help you, Boom Boom. Grab my toy.
Boom Boom was stuck in the hole, but thanks to Star's kindness, Boom Boom is now out of the hole.
Woohoo! I'm out!
Out is the opposite of in. Out is the opposite of in.
Yeah!
Star and Boom Boom are near the hole that Boom Boom fell in,
Be careful, Boom Boom.
while the other monster trucks are far away. Near is the opposite of far. Near is the opposite of far. There's a very large pipe in the road. Ladybug skids around the pipe,
Wahoo!
while Dragon drives straight through it. Around is the opposite of through. Around is the opposite of through. Bolt jumps clear over the pipe.
Over!
But, of course, Ollie decides to drive carefully under the pipe.
Under.
Over is the opposite of under. Over is the opposite of under. Bolt just landed on Ollie. Bolt is now on top, and Ollie is on the bottom.
Thanks for the lift, Ollie.
Top is the opposite of bottom. Top is the opposite of bottom.
Yeah! Wahoo!
Paying attention in opposites class has definitely paid off for the monster trucks. They are doing awesome! The road is splitting. 4 of the trucks decided to turn, while the others stay straight. Turn is the opposite of straight. Turn is the opposite of straight.
Yeah!
Ollie, Buzz, and Dragon take the lower road, while Bolt, Ladybug, Boom Boom, and Star take the higher road. High is the opposite of low. High is the opposite of low.
Curvy roads are so much fun.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, maybe too much curvy fun for Boom Boom.
Are you okay, Boom Boom?
Yeah, I am just a little tired.
I think it's time to go home.
It's been an exciting day in Truckopolis for all these young trucks. Luckily, all roads lead home where they can refuel and rest their tired engines.
Yeah!
Tomorrow waits with more fun adventures.
Bye!
Good evening! My name is Harry Blue, and we're revving up for another exciting show. Tonight's exhibition game is for a good cause. The ticket sales all go towards the charities that each of our players have selected. And the lucky winner gets to contribute $200,000 more to his or her charity. That's right, $200,000 of cold, hard, green cash. That's right, green, which I understand is blue and yellow combined. Let's take a look at our lineup. First up, we have Bolt.
Yeah!
It's no mystery why we call him Bolt. Yes, fans, he's as fast as a lightning flash. Bolt is playing for his charity, the Blue Mountain Housing Project.
Yippee!
Next up, we have Ladybug. She's best known for her grace, beauty, and fearlessness. She is one fierce competitor. Ladybug is playing for her charity, the Red Hill Oilers.
Yeah!
Finally, we have Buzz. Buzz is a silly, cheerful little fellow who buzzes around with great speed and agility. Buzz is playing for his charity, the Yellow School Bus Company. First up is Bolt.
Yeah!
Like a flash of lightning, he's going to try to take out 10 targets in 10 seconds.
Wahoo!
And he did it! Does Bolt ever cease to deliver? I think not!
Yahoo!
Next up is Ladybug.
Yippee!
Ladybug is going to attempt to take out all these targets while flipping through the air.
Yay!
Ladybug took them all out. She is fierce.
Yeah!
Finally, there's Buzz. Using his startling agility, Buzz will take out targets that are scattered all throughout the course. Only this time, we decided to make the targets a little more colorful. Some are red. Some are blue. Some are yellow.
Awesome!
And he buzzes off. Look at him go! Wow! Are my eyes playing tricks on me, or are those targets changing colors? Yes, they are! The yellow paintballs are causing the blue targets to turn green! One of the secondary colors! Why do I have a sudden craving for a glass of orange juice? Maybe because Buzz's yellow paintballs are causing the red targets to turn orange. Another secondary color. Oh no! It looks like Buzz needs a little break. Who will take his place? Hey, what do you know? It looks like Ladybug is here to save the show. Now it appears that her red paintballs are turning the blue targets purple. The last of the secondary colors. Bolt's riding back onto the scene.
Yeah!
And what do you know? There is such thing as teamwork.
Woohoo!
And look at all those colors. I feel like I'm stuck in the middle of a rainbow. Now the question is, which of these fierce competitors is going to take $200,000 of cold, hard, green cash to the charity of their choice? We have Bolt,
Yeah!
Ladybug,
Yippee!
Buzz. It seems as if our trusty applause meter has determined that it's a tie. They will all split the money and take back some serious green cash to their favorite charity.
Yippee!
What an awesome show they gave us today! The Monster Truck Show for Monster Sports fans! Drive home safely, folks!
Yeah! Yahoo!
Good night!
Hello, sports fans! My name is Geometrics, and we are shaping up for some full-throttle excitement tonight. I don't know about you all, but I'm feeling great! I had 3 square meals, and I'm ready to rock and roll! If you peek into this oval-shaped arena, you'll see all of our contenders revving up their engines, and they are firing on all cylinders. Now, each of our competitors will perform a variety of tricks to amaze and dazzle all you fine folks. First up, we have Bolt.
Yeah!
Bolt will start off the evening by jumping over a cube. A cube has 6 faces that are all squares, and it looks like an ice cube or a toy block. Except this cube is going to be a little bigger than those ice cubes in those drinks you're holding.
Whoa!
And he did it!
Yippee!
Listen to that thunderous applause! Well, sure, he can jump over a giant cube. But what about a giant sphere? A sphere is perfectly round, has no edges, and it looks like a ball or a marble. And look at that! This bolt fellow must be from another dimension! Now, let's see if he can make his way to the next hemisphere, or at least roll his way over it.
Uh-oh.
A hemisphere is a half of a sphere. The base is a circle, and it looks like half of a watermelon or an upside-down bowl. Amazing!
Woohoo!
Now it's time to bring out our next contender, Ladybug.
Yeah!
Don't let the ladies' looks fool you. This beauty's got the strength of a beast. For her first trick, she's going to pull a giant cylinder into its upright position. A cylinder has 2 flat faces that are circles and looks like a can or a drum. And she did it!
Yippee!
Ladybug will continue to wow us with her brute strength by pulling a large cone all around the track. And no, this cone doesn't have a scoop of ice cream on top. A cone has a circular base that narrows towards a point. It also looks like a party hat or a traffic cone. And look at her go! That may as well be an ice cream cone with the way she's dragging it around the track.
Yeah!
But that's not all. Ladybug's got even more tricks up her sleeve. Now she's going to dazzle us with her amazing coordination as she balances on top of a giant pyramid.
Yahoo!
That's right, on top of a giant pyramid.
Whoa!
A pyramid has a square base with 4 triangular sides. It looks like the Egyptian pyramids or the tops of some houses.
Yay!
Wow! Is there anything this spotted beauty can't do? Last but not least, our third contender is Buzz. And as you can see, our crowd is buzzing with energy for our cheerful little friend. For his first trick, he's going to jump over a giant cuboid.
Wow!
That's right, not a cube, but a cuboid, or rectangular prism as it's often called. A rectangular prism has 6 faces that are all rectangles. It looks like a present or a toy chest. And he did it! For our last trick of the night, Buzz is going to ride up a triangular prism and jump through a torus. Oh my! I don't think I can jump through that torus without getting stuck inside of it. A triangular prism has 2 flat faces that are triangles. It looks like a tent or a wedge of cheese. Yum! A torus doesn't have any edges and has a hole in the middle of it. It looks like a donut or an inner tube.
Wow!
Whoa! That is one for the record books, all right!
Yeah!
Let's recap these incredible shapes that challenged our competitors. Cube, sphere, hemisphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid, rectangular prism, triangular prism, torus. All the trucks are winners in my book. Thank you once again for joining us, and don't forget to keep on trucking!
Good evening. I am 𝗕𝗯𝘆
And I'm Joe Sixpence.
and we're here for another exciting night of mischief, mayhem, and hard trucking sports action.
Yes, we have a number of strong competitors tonight.
Yup, 5 trucks, 20 wheels, all revved up and ready to go. Competitor number 1 is Bolt. Bolt is all about fulfilling his needs for speeds. Okay, that sounded better there.
Then we have competitor number 2, Boom Boom. Boom Boom is known for great enthusiasm. Always excited, always lovable. If he only paid a little more attention while on the course. Yup, he's a clumsy one.
Next up on the lineup is competitor number 3, Ladybug. Don't be fooled by her sweet girly exterior. Ladybug is fearless, loves to do tricks, and is unafraid of getting her tires muddy.
Then we have competitor number 4, Ollie. Ollie's got the brains all right, but he's very cautious. I am not sure how he'll do in a show like this.
Finally, we have competitor number 5, Dragon. Dragon's ready to breathe some fire tonight. He's strong, tough, and loves to be the center of attention. There's no bigger fan of Dragon than Dragon himself.
Well, that's enough talk. Time for some action! Ready for the countdown 0?
You bet! And we're going to count down backwards from 10 like we always do.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First up is Bolt. Bolt's gonna wow all of us tonight by attempting to do 10 laps around the course in 10 seconds.
Yeah!
And he's off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm sorry, Joe. Did something just happen? I must have blinked my eyes and missed it. Next up is Boom Boom. Oops. As we said, Boom is not always the best when it comes to this little thing called paying attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Next up is Ladybug.
Yes!
She's gonna knock our socks off tonight by jumping through 10. That's right, 10 flaming hoops. My, she is playing with fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, Ladybug can do anything the boys can do. Whoa! Next up is Ollie. Can you believe
he's going to attempt to jump over 10. I repeat, 10 automobiles tonight.
I won't believe it till I see it, Zero.
Look at him. He's counting each car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It looks like Ollie changed his mind. What a bummer. I hope he tries again.
This just in. Since Ollie has decided to sit this one out, Dragon is going to take his place and perform the jump instead.
Yeah!
And here he goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He did it!
Thank you for joining us for another night of Monster Truck Mayhem. I'm Zero Martindale.
And I'm Joe Sixpence.
And we're signing off. Make sure you tune in next time. We'll be counting on you.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Hey, kids! Well, you're in luck. Here come the monster trucks.
Yay!
Yep, it's time for an awesome alphabet rhyme. Yippee! Now, there are 26 letters from A to Z. Let's have some fun. Come rhyme with me. Yippee! A is for axle. It helps the truck's tires spin. B is for boom boom. There he goes again.
Oops.
C is for cab, where people sit and look about.
Yeah.
D is for door, for getting in and getting out. E is for exhaust. It helps regulate airflow.
Yeah!
F is for fenders. They protect the tires below. G is for grill. It lets cool air in.
Yes!
H is for hood. It covers the engine. I is for ignition. It helps turn the truck on. J is for jump. Let's jump. Come on.
Yippee!
K is for key. It turns the ignition.
Vroom!
L is for lights, to help with night vision.
Ta-da!
M is for monster. Monster trucks. All right.
Woohoo!
N is for nuts. They hold tires on tight.
Yes!
O is for oil. It keeps the engine running smooth. P is for premium. It's the best fuel to use. Q is for quarter panel. There are 2 on each side.
Yahoo!
R is for ramp. Watch the trucks jump real high.
Yeah!
S is for shocks. They go up and down. T is for toe, to pull things around. U is for U-joint. It makes the back wheels turn. V is for vroom. Now watch them burn. W is for wheel. They go round and round.
Yeah.
X is for XL, the largest tires we found.
Yeah!
Y is for yellow, a blinking signal. Yeah! Z is for zigzag. Come on, let's wiggle. You've learned 26 letters from A to Z. And lots of truck parts. Easy smeezy.
Yeah.
Now, since you're a pro, and you know what you know,
Yahoo!
let's pick up the pace with an alphabet race.
Yeah!
Ready, set, go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Woohoo!
It's been such an awesome time.
Yeah!
You did great learning this rhyme. But finally, it has come to an end. Thanks for being my alphabet friend. See you next time. Woohoo! Hooray! Keep on trucking, my friends.
Yeah!
We'll be back another day.
Awesome!